Today we will be discussing parts of microscope on this particular microscope, which is a light microscope. This is microscope of B1 series from the company Motic. Parts of microscope. To begin with, these are ocular lenses. This is a ocular lens. This is a binocular microscope. This is the stopper adjustment. Here you can adjust. This particular part is called nose piece, and these are objective lens. There are 4 lenses basically. So guys, these are different lenses of microscope. This particular lens showing red color is 4x. This lens showing yellow color is 10x. Here the blue one is 40x and the white one is 100x. This is arm of microscope. Now this carries your microscope. It is also known as carrying handle. This particular part of microscope is known as mechanical stage. It has a stage clip. Stage holds your slide and clip actually clips your slide. This is aperture, which allows light to pass through diaphragm. This particular component of microscope does the adjustment for the image, and this one does the fine adjustment for the image, as every one of us has different refraction value of cornea. So we need this fine adjustment. By this we can rotate our stage sideways or forward and backward. Now let's see what is a diaphragm. Diaphragm is what allows the amount of light to pass through. Now you can adjust here amount of light which passes through diaphragm. Now below diaphragm, this is a condenser which condenses the light and focuses it on slide. Here you can see this is known as illuminator. This is illuminator, and it is actually light source which provides light to the slide. Okay, now this is base, and here this is where we can do brightness adjustment. We have a light switch about here which switches on or off the light. This is cable which provides electricity to your microscope.